My video is about removing the Feel Dark extension from the Google Chrome browser. This particular extension targets Google Chrome browser, and its real purpose is to hijack some of the browser settings. The developers of this extension claim that by installing it, you will be able to activate some dark theme for all the websites that you are going to visit, but they don't mention that this extension actually functions as a browser hijacker that may change some of the crucial browser settings of your Google Chrome. If the extension is mistakenly added into the Google Chrome browser, you will soon start experiencing browser redirection issues. And when you submit some search queries, you may get the results by some other unwanted search engines that have not been selected by you initially. So, we recommend you to be very careful and not to tolerate any extensions like that. You should get rid of them. Go to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Disable this extension and remove the Feel Dark extension completely. After you have done that, the problem should be fixed, but I also recommend that you research your device additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, download the installer, install it, and then start researching your device to detect and eliminate other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.